All right, emergency press conference. We're fresh off of Epic's UGM week in Madison. There are about a zillion recaps on LinkedIn and whatever your platform of choice might be, many of which seem to belong to the same evil cabal of GPT art. You can go out and use your favorite AI research agent to go comb up all those recaps because they pretty much say the same five things. Questions? Yeah. Yeah, honestly, it was a great week for me and my friends and my family. It felt like a home game because it was a home game with 8 events across 3 nights. I got to feel a little bit like the mayor, which was cool. There's not a lot happens that out in Verona that you can't read about, but there's a ton that happens downtown at these different events and all the people you run into and all the different conversations you have or can be on the periphery of throughout the week. There's almost like a secondary culture created around these events in Madison because the official events end at 5 p.m. and the greater technology industry takes over for the nightlife. It's a really interesting time to be here. Very hectic and a lot of action. Next. Yeah. Ergo, Agent Factory, clinical trial management system, all really cool things. Good individual steps forward, especially for that Epic first crowd. But what I think about is for the Epic Plus crowd, the health systems that want to build beyond that just what Epic allows or Epic builds for them. They're going to really struggle to activate their own data in the way that they need to use the tools that they want to use or the tools that they want to build. So when I look at things like Ergo and Agent Factory, I think about that Epic Plus crowd and what if they wanted to build something like this on Rails that they control themselves? Pretty much couldn't do that. So that's one of the bigger stories waiting to happen, I think. Next. Yeah. Federal Trade Commission, fun. Everybody's favorite hush hush topic of the week. I would say pretty much it falls into two camps. I found camp number one is there's a freight train a coming. Camp number two seemed almost so deep in the Kool-Aid as to be almost like flat dismissive about it. Last question. Yeah. Succession, great TV show, absolutely sick theme song. But as for what happens to Epic at the top in the next era, no comment.